is the World Industrial News for Thursday, August 27th. Brought to you by Industrial Info Resources of Sugar Land, Texas. The development and use of GLP-1 drugs to aid weight loss has been the biggest thing to hit the pharmaceutical biotech industry for some time. According to Industrial Info Resources data, GLP-1 drug production is driving billions of dollars worth of construction in the U.S. and elsewhere. Makers of GLP-1 drugs, particularly the blockbusters that have nearly become household names, are putting their investment dollars to work both in and out of the U.S., accounting for billions of dollars worth construction spending. While injectables continue to drive construction in a big way, so are the more recently developed oral GLP-1 doses in pill form. North America is heading into fall with one unusually strong climate signal and one important complication. El Niño is rapidly strengthening, and NOAA's Climate Prediction Center places the probability of a very strong event above 90% through fall into early 2027. The CPC also assigns a 69% chance that the period from October through December reaches a historic threshold exceeding previous El Niño events since 1950. According to Industrial Info Resources data, this forecasted strong tropical Pacific forcing should increasingly influence North American weather as we race to the end of 2026. Increasingly, the oil industry is seeking ways to diversify, and with the current push on energy security and critical minerals, this sector is getting significant attention and investment. As part of that, Halliburton Labs, a wholly owned subsidiary of Halliburton Company, has announced the addition of 2 companies with advanced minerals processing procedures into what it refers to as its, quote, collaborative ecosystem. To the concern of the labor unions, Canada responded to 50% tariffs imposed last week by the U.S. government with its own dollar-for-dollar, tit-for-tat measures that would largely impact aluminum and steel. Up to $40 billion of trade between the two countries could be affected. Energy, potash, fertilizer, and electricity were spared in what's become an all-out trade war between neighbors that previously shared one of the friendliest borders in the world. Venezuelan oil production has seemingly improved based on monthly U.S. federal data. But earthquake damage and an uncertain political future are creating clouds on the horizon. Based on U.S. import data, Venezuelan crude oil production is on the rise, though it will take long-term commitments for the nation to achieve any degree of sustainability, reports found. Industrial Info Resources is tracking 16 projects related to oil production in Venezuela, with the largest by investment value controlled by state-run PDVSA. For details on these and other breaking news, read the full stories at industrialinfo.com. I'm Christine Ramos, reporting for Industrial Info News.